We have our menus here. So we can create a new menu. We don't have any menus here by the looks of things, so we can create one. And once we have pages to add, we can add them to the menu. We can't, let's go create menu. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so we've created the menu, and now we can add our sample page to the menu. There we go. Save menu. And now, with a bit of luck, when I refresh the page, here we go. We've now got our menu. We've got our home page and our sample page, which are, there we go, there it is. And we have our breadcrumbs here showing us exactly how we are, the sitemap basically to where we are and where we've come from. Okay. Header. Okay, so we have lots of different options for our header. Not so much with the standard free theme, but once we get into Flatten, you'll see that there are lots and lots of different options for customizing your header and making it truly beautiful. But for now, just by way of demonstration, let's change this header here. This is our header. Let's change it to something bright. Whoops. Background color. There you go. That looks nice, doesn't it? We'll change the text to white. There we go. And we'll change the link color to white too. Beautiful. I'm loving that purple. Okay. And you can also see here that we have a hash and a number. That's the hex values that WordPress tends to work with generally. You can also add transparency with RGBA, but for now we'll just focus on this. So you can pick any color you like using a color picker in your toolbar and get the code and enter it here. So you can choose like this, whatever you want. Oh, I like that green. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so you can customize and design to your heart's content and make it look a little bit nicer than I have done there. Okay. All right. Footer. We can customize the colors of the footer here. You can see it's pretty bland and grey at the moment. We can select an image to have as the background for our website. Let's have a go at that now. Let's pop this on. So I've just selected something from my computer and I've uploaded it to the media library. There we go. We'll choose that image. Wow, look at that. Isn't that stunning? Okay, so that's how that works anyway. You can fill screen, you can repeat it, you can fit to screen, so you've just got the one, whatever you want to do. So you have that functionality there.